Welcome tech enthusiasts. Today, we embark on an electrifying journey as we delve into the depths of innovation with the latest release from Xiaomi, the breathtaking Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Released on March 21, 2024, the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro is not just a smartphone, it's a masterpiece meticulously crafted to redefine excellence. Let's dive straight into its captivating features. Feast your eyes on the exquisite design of the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro. With dimensions of 157.2 x 72.8 x 7.5 mm and weighing just 177.6 grams, this sleek device exudes sophistication with its glass front and back, complemented by an aluminum frame. And for those eco-conscious souls, fear not. Xiaomi offers a silicone polymer back option made from eco-friendly materials. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro apart: its mesmerizing display. Immerse yourself in vibrant visuals on the 6.55-inch AMOLED display, boasting a staggering 68 billion colors and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing, Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support ensure every moment is a visual extravaganza. Powering this technological marvel is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, engineered to deliver blazing fast performance and efficiency. With its octa-core CPU and Adreno 750 GPU, you experience seamless multitasking and jaw-dropping graphics performance like never before. Say cheese to the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro's revolutionary camera setup, equipped with a triple camera array, including a 50MP wide lens, a 50MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. Every shot is a masterpiece in the making. Leica lenses ensure unparalleled clarity and detail, while advanced video capabilities, including 4K recording at 60 fps and HDR10+ support, elevate your content creation game to new heights. But wait, there's more. Bid farewell to battery anxiety with the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro's massive 4700 mAh battery, coupled with 67W wired charging support, offering a full charge in just 40 minutes. And with HyperOS based on Android 14, enjoy a seamless and intuitive user experience like never before. Ladies and gentlemen, the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro is not just a smartphone, it's a testament to Xiaomi's relentless pursuit of excellence. With its unrivaled design, captivating display, powerhouse performance, and cutting-edge features, it's a device that transcends boundaries and sparks joy in every interaction. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey. Until next time, stay tuned to Gadget Master for more thrilling tech adventures.